The last view we'll discuss is known as Survey View. This view allows us to compare several photos at once. To view images in Survey View, first highlight multiple images that you'd like to compare. So I'll go ahead and select a few. Remember that to highlight multiple images that are not directly beside one another, you hold down the Command key. Once you've selected the images you'd like to compare, click the Survey View icon. We can now see our selected thumbnails. To expand Survey View, press the Tab key on your keyboard. This gives you more space to work with. Press the Tab key again to return back to the original view. By using Survey View, we can flag or reject an image. Hover your mouse over the image you'd like to apply a flag to, and you'll see that at the bottom left corner, the flag icons appear. Now I'm not actually going to do this because we'll be working with flagging later on, but the option is available. In addition to flags, we can also apply star ratings by clicking on any one of these small circles below the image, or a color label by clicking this square that you see at the bottom right corner of the image. So a lot of this is similar to what we did in Compare View. To remove any one of these images from the comparison, you can click this X icon here. Now let's return to Grid View.